Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. It is only May 12th, but I'm going to do my June monthly plan with me because as soon as I get my monthly kits in, I'm like, I want to plan my month. Partially because I'm usually pretty busy and I know a lot of things kind of ahead of time and because I like putting stickers down. So I have this kit for June from Moose and Mittens. And hey girl, you're a fellow Colorado girl. So I'm super excited about that. And I will link my haul up here. And it's like lemons, which I love, florals, which I love, kind of that watercolor look. Again, I love. I really love yellow, and it has stripes in it. So it hits all of these different things for me. It's not too bright, but it's definitely bright. But it's not like the neon, like in the middle of the heat of summer kind of colors, if that makes sense. Because it's not like as hot in June as it usually is in July and August. So there you go. Whatever you got out of that. So these are the top two bars. We have holidays, we have quarter whatever label boxes, and a happy birthday, which I was trying to think if I had any birthdays in June. And I don't think I do. So I'm kind of bummed because that box is really cute. And then we have dots, like label boxes, flags, bills, bill due and payday flags, and then some deco flags, some more boxes, and then some full-size decorative boxes. And I love this lemonade one. Adorable. You have the date numbers, you have icons, you have some kitty cats, some script things, and then all of this down here is like vacation strips of different lengths. So the top two are, no, I think the top one is all like the full size. This goes from here to here, and then there's another one here. This is like half and half. This one is like one small and then these longer, and then I think the bottom one is all long, something like that. And I get to use those because I will be on a trip starting the 17th, no, the 26th through the end of the month until July 17th. I was like, I know there's a 17 in there somewhere. And then we have the like sidebar things, and these like label areas are attached so you could write in your own, or there's some selection. And then there's this washi strip, which I believe goes up here because all of those 5 days are part of May, not June. So I was smart this month, and you guys know I always struggle. I counted down 6 dots and drew a line so I have something to line up with. And then over here, this is where I got the 6 dots from because this header space is about 6. And then I drew a line up and down so I can line up my sidebar a little straighter as well. So I'm hopefully going to have a better time putting this down. I don't know why I didn't think about doing that earlier. You never know, you guys, never know. But because this side has kind of this strip, it might be easier to line up anyways because I'll be able to bump it up against something if I can get this one down straight. I think that's pretty straight. And I'm not going to worry about the flags too much because they seem to match the kit well enough anyways. And I did buy this on removable matte paper. I think, what did she offer? I think she had glossy, removable matte, and permanent matte, if I remember correctly. Okay, so I just overdrew this line a smidge, so let me erase that. But that was pretty dang easy. I mean, it helped that I had all 4 of these boxes. I should have maybe whited out in between here, but it's fine. Okay, so then hopefully this side will go easy as well. I'm going to use the corner and then the line that I drew. Pretty straight. My pencil's a little off over here. And I think I can kind of see the pencil a little bit. But, oopsies. Not bad, not bad. Highly recommend. Use pencil, not pen. Okay, and then I have one more box here that is not part of the month. And I'm thinking I might do the lemonade one because I don't want to ever have to cover this with anything because it is so cute. So I think I'm going to do this one. Like that. Like, I don't know if I should line it up with the dots or the edge of this. Maybe I should center it between the two. Ooh, that removable mat is very nice. That peeled up quite easily. Okay, how about that? Yeah? I think that works. Okay. And then, like I said, I have that trip starting the 26th, so I want to get that in first before I forget to mark it because that is so like me. So I think I'm going to take this reddish color, kind of quarter box label kind of thing, and then I just need 1 day worth of like washi strip here. Oops, did you even see that? And then just washi strip through the rest of the month basically, because it will go into July. So I don't know how high that other one was. I just want to cover kind of the bottom dots. And that's all I'm really worried about layering with. That's fine. Oh, I should have maybe moved it in a little bit. Okay, does that look better? I think that's a little bit more lined up with the edges. And I should probably do my sidebar also while I'm thinking about it. So let's put the blue one up at the top. Oh wow. Are these supposed to be that close to the edge? I think my washi is a little crooked. Not gonna lie. Okay. So that's touching that very last dot. So hopefully I'm really, really straight here now because I don't know. Oh, now I'm going back the other way. I'm not sure. This is an adventure. And I'm not on this line at all because that would like go off the paper. So we're just playing it by ear. Okay, well that came out pretty well. I think I went a little crooked, but I think my washi maybe is a little crooked. Oh yeah, it definitely is because this side of the white space is bigger than this side. It turned out fine in the end. Okay, let's look at these headers. We have to do, birthdays, bills due, events, appointments, fitness, cleaning, to call, and happy mail. So definitely bills on this top one, but I don't know that I'm going to need any of the rest of those. Oops. That's very nice that this sticker paper even lifts off of other sticker paper, because sometimes they don't do that. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put in those. I will have a goals section somewhere on here, but typically I have like 2 of these for bills. And I don't feel like the rest of these really go. So we're just going to leave it for now. Okay. So I have my flight. Let's put the holidays in next. Where were they? Oh, they're on the other page. So Flag Day is here. It's also Ramadan ends. I mentioned in my last Plan With Me, or one of my Plan With Me's, I guess. Not my last one when you're watching this, but one of the last ones that I filmed. I wasn't quite sure what Ramadan was. And I haven't looked it up yet. Been meaning to. Okay, so there's Summer Begins, and then the last one we have is Father's Day. I'm not sure what I got on my planner right there. Hope my desk isn't dirty. Alright, then I have a class that I'm taking on the 5th. It's like a, what is it, economic literacy or something. But it was a free class and helps you get, helps you be able to renew your teaching license eventually. I don't need to do that for a couple of years because I just did it last summer, but you need a lot of hours or credits, and it's good to start whenever you can. So there's my class thing, and I have this little kitty that's like writing and has books, so I'm gonna put that because I feel like it goes. All right, what else do I need to mark? I normally mark my anniversary, but I feel like it might be a little weird to mark a 13-month anniversary. I don't know. Let me know how you feel about that. Oh, I have payday stickers. So payday will be Friday the 29th because we don't get paid on weekends. Okay, and yes, I do get paid in the summer even though I'm a teacher and I don't work in the summer. My paycheck is split into 12 because we're salaried. So whatever are 190 whatever days that we work, whatever our pay is for that gets divided into 12 instead of 10 for the months we actually work. In case you were curious. Okay, so I have bills due. I wish I had more bills due. The 1st, the 2nd, I have my car insurance the 15th, and then my cell phone is usually the 28th. And then I'm going to use these other yellow and blue flags for Glam Planner and Simply Gilded. I canceled my subscription for Planner Society, so that will stop after the June one because you have to cancel a month out or something. But I usually really like the summer ones. Summer and spring ones anyways. I mean, let's be real, I usually like all of them, but that way I can get one more. I purposely didn't cancel before the May one, I think. I don't know. I don't know what the dates were, but I purposely got one more and then it will be canceled. So I won't be having those anymore. But there's already a bill due sticker on the 2nd because that's when mine comes out. Let's see. Okay, I really don't know what else I need to mark in here, you guys. So I'm going to go off camera real quick and put all of these little date numbers down, and then I will come back and see if I can think of anything else, and then I'll show you my final plans. I might also find oh, never mind, I have airplane stickers. Perfect. So a little airplane right here. Okay. Yeah. I think that's it. Let me go off camera, and like I said, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. So I put the numbers on, and then after I put all the numbers on, I realized that full boxes should go under the numbers. So I put one full box here, one here, and then I had that other one up here, so just kind of spaced them out a little bit. And then I put a box here because I fly Southwest, so you always can check in the day before your flight. So I will put a reminder to check in for my flight here. And let's see if I have any icons. I'll put the computer. So I'll put a computer icon there to remind myself to check in. And then this is my flight. And then, like I said, I'll be gone until mid-July. I will have videos up during that time. They will just all be pre-recorded, so I might not know a lot of my plans, but it'll just be kind of getting the basics down. But I don't bring my computer with like my editing stuff home when I travel, so I will not be filming any videos while I am home. And then I can maybe do rewinds for like maybe the last week or two. We'll see how it goes. And then I put a box here because my friend and I usually get together the first Saturday of every month. And here's a little car icon because I do typically drive up there. She's about 45 minutes to an hour away from me. So we just kind of make a once a month plan. We're both teachers, so it's real hard. But she'll maybe drive me to the airport this day, so I might see her again at the end of the month. We will see. I just noticed I have a little don't forget, and that's really cute. So I'm going to put that right here. That's a scripty thing. I will say some of these things, like some of the icons and scripty things, are a little bit more weekly related, if you ask me, but still a very functional kit overall. I will try to get as much use as I can out of these other things. I'll just have to kind of figure it out. Last month we did a lot of interviews, like I said, so if we don't have an English teacher, I might have to add interviews in here. I don't know when my last day of work is. I'm scheduled until the 1st, but hopefully I will end in May. I hope. And then, yeah, whatever else comes up. I think the last thing I want to do is white out these couple little moons. I don't really care for them. I appreciate that they're like in light gray, so they're not too noticeable, but not my favorite. So yeah, that is my June spread. I hope you guys enjoy. If there's any major changes, I will film that and update, but that hasn't really been happening. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link Moose and Mittens down below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!